Hey folks, Josh here, Veteran Roof Treatment. Today we're out here cleaning up this home right here with no damage and high pressure. As you can see right now, I've already sprayed chemical on this house. I'm going to go ahead and spray the gutters first. Make sure we get all of the black streaks and stains off the gutters. One of the benefits of doing the soft washing instead of the power washing is just you don't get any damaging high pressure on your siding. I mean, siding itself is not waterproof, it's water resistant, so when you start getting a bunch of stuff back behind it, you can definitely cause problems. But on top of that, the chemicals do a really good job of cleaning the surface up and making sure that you get an extended life out of the cleaning itself. So I'm going to be going ahead through and cleaning this house up and doing a little rinsing. Go ahead and enjoy.